Hello, and welcome to a beginner's guide to rocketry by Spaceman Spiff. In this series, I'll be showing you different parts of the rockets and how they work, and more about I'll be showing you different kinds of rockets, different types of propulsion, all at a basic beginner's level. So let's get started. Episode 1. What is a rocket? Well, what makes a rocket? It's our first question. Well, a rocket is made up of three things: the payload bay / nose cone, the fuselage or body tube, and the rocket engine, or just the engine. Now, the nose cone or payload bay is where on more advanced rockets like the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy, that's the big old fairing at the top of the rocket. Whereas on your model rockets, it'll just be more like this triangle right here. Now, it's used to provide aerodynamic stability while going through the Earth's atmosphere, because the Earth's atmosphere, especially the lower part, the faster you go, the more things heat up due to atmospheric drag. And basically, that's it. So, next is our fuselage, or the body tube, if you're doing a model rocket. If it's a model rocket, it serves pretty much no purpose but to house the parachute and recovery wadding. But on bigger rockets, it normally houses your oxidizer and liquid fuel tanks for fuels such as hydrogen, oxygen, and methane are three I can think of off the top of my head. And it houses those to keep them safe and secure. Also provides aerodynamic stability because it's a cylinder. This is just a 2D rocket to show the types of shapes. This is not really a cylinder. Then we have our rocket engine right here. Got the rocket engine, and rocket engine, it's the engine that propels the rocket. And I'm going to go into a little bit more in the next slide, which is, how does a rocket work? Well, whenever the engine starts to fire, it shoots out the gases from the bottom and propels the rocket upward into space. And this is our little diagram of a rocket. Very ugly because I'm just using basic shapes because I'm not very good at creating things. So, well, aside from that, we have the combustion chamber and the nozzle are two parts of our rocket engine. The combustion chamber is where, let's just go with the hydrolox engine, which is hydrogen and oxygen, which is basically water, pretty much, in a way. Liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen, both highly flammable, are mixed together in the combustion chamber and ignited, which creates very hot gases that are shot out through the throat of the rocket engine and out the nozzle at supersonic speeds. This little area right here where it dips in and then out, that's the throat, and its whole purpose is to speed up the gases by providing a smaller area, and then expanding the area with the nozzle will send it going even faster, and the gases even faster and faster, even to supersonic speeds, to make it fly. The nozzle is straightforward. Big ol' nozzle used for, I just said it, making the gases go faster. So, that's it pretty much for today's video, because that's the basics of how a rocket works. So, and what is a rocket? Such as, I don't know, the Atlas V by ULA, or the model rocket you built yourself. Or if you're brand new to rocketry, you should definitely build a model rocket. They're very fun to build. I have kits down here that I like to build model rockets with. I just messed up my whole part underneath my desk grabbing that, didn't I? Alright. All good. Like and subscribe to this channel. We're brand new. First video. Let's go. Alright. And subscribe to my gaming channel, please, too. Coleman Gaming 999. We do some Kerbal Space Program over there, which is a rocket game for if any of you fellow nerds are into that. I am a nerd. If you're watching this, you probably are also a nerd. So, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to share, subscribe to my channel. Bye.